Hi guys, so I've recently switched to a vegan diet from vegetarian. I've been vegetarian for about a decade, and that was kind of my 2019 New Year resolution that I was going to become vegan for sure this year. And it can be a little tricky. I've gotten used to it over the years of kind of cutting out certain things, but it can be really hard to meal plan, and for me, I'm not really much of a cook. I really don't like to do it, so I can struggle there. But I happened upon this awesome site that works for any diet, whether you're vegan, vegetarian, if you're doing a paleo diet or gluten-free. This is an amazing place that can hook you up with awesome recipes and products sent directly to your door. And it is Sunbasket, and they're the #1 meal kit in healthy choices. You can eat clean and easily with this awesome company, and it's gonna make you feel great too. It is a subscription meal delivery service sent to your door each week, and they have only fresh, organic, sustainable, non-GMO ingredients. And they also have easy and delicious recipes, so they send you the recipe book. All recipes are 30 minutes or less, so it's totally ideal. And for the person who's maybe not quite the cook like me, they are still really easy recipes, and they work great, and they're easy to do, and they taste awesome. So it was really great for me. I've loved using it. It's been a great experience for me. You can go to their site and choose from 18 weekly options, so you're always in control of what you're going to eat that week. Meals can be for 2 people up to family sized as well. So if you have a whole family you're cooking for, not a problem. What I really love is the ingredients are pre-measured, so there's less hassle, and it's going to save you time too. You can get through it much quicker as well. So ingredients will come in containers like this, and of course these products are all recyclable. Even the packaging that it's sent in is compostable and recyclable as well. So pretty amazing that way too. Food arrives fresh and in an insulated box, so you know it's going to be fresh and last a long time as well. Along with your meals that week, you can also get sides like some yummy side dishes, salads. They even have some really awesome sauces, like I tried the hummus and that was excellent, so totally love that. They only ship seasonal ingredients that are at their peak, so you're getting the best ingredients. And I got to try like a lot of things I've never even tried before. They'll send you new products that you might have a harder time finding in your local grocery store. So that's pretty amazing too, especially if you love trying out new things. So these awesome meals come straight to your door. Everything is pre-packaged. You have to do absolutely no grocery shopping. Everything you have is already measured and at your fingertips. And meals are ready to go in 30 minutes or less, and they're super easy to cook. So I tried out a lot this last week, and my favorite was the walnut mushroom flatbread, and it has apricots on it as well, and a lemon tahini dressing. So pretty amazing. So that just comes in this package. You pull it out, you have everything you need, and you can start cooking. I recommend reading through the directions first, just to make sure you do have everything on hand, because you will need like a frying pan or whatever. This last week, I have absolutely loved using Sunbasket. This has just been kind of a godsend for me. It does make cooking a little bit more exciting and enjoyable for me. I love that I'm trying out new fresh ingredients. I love that it follows my vegan diet plan, and food is just awesome, tastes wonderful, and cooks in less than 30 minutes, which I really appreciate too. I'm excited to keep going back each month and trying out new recipes as well. I love that I'm still in control and still can choose what I'm going to be eating this next week. And that's amazing to me too. So I highly recommend it. This service is amazing. I love it. Whether you're following a specific diet or not, it's just a really great way to get your meals in each week. You don't have to do the grocery shopping, which is awesome because I really despise grocery shopping, so I really love that. And it's just awesome and a great way to try new tastes and flavors as well. So if you'd like to check it out, I highly recommend them. They are sunbasket.com, and check out my link below where you can get 50% off your first order from Sunbasket. So be sure to check them out. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for free weekly content. And if you like this video, please like, comment, or share. Thank you so much for watching.